Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Satorific, where we embrace the mantra, be kind to your mind. Today I'm here to guide you through the basics of mindfulness, a simple yet profound practice to help you find your inner peace. So let's dive in. Firstly, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in the moment, aware of where we are and what we're doing, without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. It sounds simple, but it's a powerful tool for managing stress and enhancing overall well-being. Let's start with a basic exercise: mindful breathing. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently. Now take a deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Focus solely on your breathing. Notice the air moving in and out of your lungs, the rise and fall of your chest. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just gently bring your focus back to your breath. Do this for a few minutes every day, and you'll start noticing a calmer mind. Next, let's talk about mindful observation. This exercise involves picking a natural object from your immediate environment and focusing on watching it for a minute or two. This could be a flower, an insect, or even the clouds moving across the sky. Look at it as if you are seeing it for the first time. Observe every aspect of its formation, the colors, the patterns, its movements. This practice helps us reconnect with the beauty of the natural world, refreshing our mind. Lastly, we have mindful awareness in daily life. This means applying mindfulness to everyday activities. When you eat, pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of the food. When you walk, notice how your feet feel on the ground, the sounds around you, and the air on your skin. By engaging fully with the present moment, you can transform any mundane activity into a meditative practice. Remember, mindfulness is not about getting rid of stress or escaping your feelings. It's about learning to live with peace and joy, regardless of what life throws your way. It's a journey, not a destination, and every moment is a new opportunity to practice. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, stay present, and as we say here at Satorific, be kind to your mind. Until next time, take care and breathe deeply.